Hi, my name's Cody Thorn. I'm the owner of Thorn Milling and Construction. We started in 2018. Thorn Milling and Construction has the capability of providing roto-milling, water truck services, sweeping services. We also provide pulverizing services and also heavy haul services. We have the capability of cutting or milling anywhere from 4 feet wide up to 8 feet wide. Depths range from 1.5 inches down to 14 inches. We have the opportunity to work with a lot of very good general contractors here in the state of Utah. Right now we're spotlighting a project up in the Electric Lake area between Scofield and Electric Lake. We have a firm belief in providing safety and training for each one of our employees. Every year we bring in our factory rep from BOMAG, and they spend a week with us going over each portion of the equipment that we're currently running. They spend about 4 days with us. We call them tune-up or refreshers. Also, we have a very, very strong safety culture. We want our guys to go home. We want to be with their families every night. The employees here are extremely dedicated. They take ownership and pride in their work. I've worked with all of them for a little over 15 years. They are the core of our company. Their workmanship is next to none. They take great pride in their work. They take great pride in their projects and take extremely good care of the equipment that we run.